Hi guys, this is going to be our daily agenda for for Thursday, February 11th. So I'm going to be covering a little bit of what we're doing. Reminders really quick. Today's going to be odds. We still have Spirit Week this week. We will be having no school this Friday, the 12th, and next Monday, the 15th. So you guys are getting a 4-day weekend. So just reminder there. Additionally, for our Do Now today, we are going to be doing free writes. So I'm going to be showing you what the free writes are. They are on our Google Classroom. You guys are going to be working through them. You're going to have 5 minutes, and they're really going to relate to our outsider reading, so from chapter 1. So I'm going to have you guys go through that today, and then we are also going to be doing reading chapter 2 with our audiobook session. If you were not here for chapter 1, go ahead and go to the Google Classroom under the Outsiders. We have the PDF and the audio available for you guys, so just listen. It's a quick 20-minute read for you guys. Chapter 1 and 2, you guys are going to be working on those responses, and I'll talk about them in a second. And then our exit ticket for the day. Your homework for this week, it's going to be chapter 1 and 2. That free write and chapter response is going to be due on the 12th. So just letting you guys know. Chapter 2, this is where we're going to be rereading. That's what it looks like in our Google Classroom. These are going to be your response pages. You guys are going to be responsible for chapters 1 and 2, really for all of our chapters, and they really have simple questions, you guys. You need to complete all the sections in complete sentences, even if it's just maybe 1 or 2 sentences, that's fine. But let's make sure we have these done by Friday. So that's all you guys have to do is just kind of type in where it tells you, and I'll show you guys how to get to that. But that's also on your Google Classroom under Semester 2, The Outsiders. Then our exit ticket for the day is, what kind of person is the protagonist of this story? How has their background affected who they are? So we've already met our protagonists for this story. I want you guys to talk a little bit more about them. What were your expectations? Do you expect them to be the way they were? You guys surprised? Just want to hear those thoughts. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class tomorrow. Have a good one.